How's it going, guys? Christoph here. I'm from Quality Control Bully Camp. I want to show you guys how I prevent swimmer's legs for puppies. Basically, you need elastic wrap and medical tape. Now, let's take this off of her. Come here, puppy. I want to do it over again so I could show everybody how I do it. Here, grab her. Hold on, guys. Guys, don't worry about wrapping up the puppy's legs with the medical tape. It doesn't get stuck on their fur. So basically, you're gonna stretch this out. You're gonna measure your puppy's legs, right? But you're gonna have to pull it. You have to pull it so you can measure it out right, correctly. So measure it out, cut what you need. Cut what you need. Cool, this is perfect for puppy. Again, when the puppy's walking, this is elastic, so it's gonna help them move around correctly. So, you cut two little holes right here. Hold on, guys, it's a little sticky. So we're gonna cut two holes right here. One hole here for the puppy's feet to go in. And you're gonna slide this up like pants, basically. Okay, made two little holes, little slits right here for the puppy's feet. You're gonna slide the puppy's feet through. There you go, slide them up like pants, like I said. Nice. Okay. Okay, like I said, medical tape. Don't worry about it being a, come on puppy, pick her up a little bit, please. Thank you. Like I said, wrap this around to prevent the elastic from slipping off. All right. Not too tight, guys.